Streamline your operations in minutes. Discover how OPS 360 simplifies store management, subscription tracking, and workflow automation, all in one unified platform. Navigate to OPS Store in the sidebar to access every integrated tool, subscription, and business service available across your OPS 360 workspace. Review your cart to see all active subscriptions, bundled services, and operational add-ons currently powering your workspace, consolidated in one place. Scroll through your cart to review. Use the edit icon to access configuration settings, controlling integrations, subscriptions, and store preferences. Then review your monthly total before confirming changes. With communication features now filtered, click Operations next to explore tools that streamline workflows, task management, and team productivity. Now viewing operations tools for audits, bookings, and incident tracking, click Finance to access invoicing, expense tracking, payments, and accounting automation. Finance filters reveal expense management, invoicing, and online payments. Return to communication anytime to review messaging, email, and live chat tools. Select All to browse the complete OPS Store catalog, giving you a full view of every integration and tool available across business categories. Adjust quantities for add-ons like additional users directly from their cards, activating extra capacity instantly to expand your operational capabilities. Increase the quantity with a single click to add new tools to your workspace instantly, with changes reflected immediately in your Cart Changes tab. Continue scrolling to review every subscribed feature, from document intelligence and e-signature to HR Manager and inventory management, all managed from this single screen. From the sidebar, OPS Store remains your subscription manager. Return here anytime to review active services, pending updates, and deployment status. As you browse features like payroll, point of sale, and supplier portal, monitor your cart panel to ensure every update aligns with your operational requirements. Scroll back to the top of your cart anytime to review your full subscription summary alongside the features available in OPS Store. Click Available to browse additional OPS Store integrations and operational tools you haven't yet subscribed to, expanding your platform's capabilities. Select Cart Changes to review any pending configuration updates before deployment, keeping full control and transparency over your subscription. Preparing the next OPS Store management section. Unsubscribe from services instantly without complex cancellation flows or unnecessary delays. Click Remove on any subscribe feature, like Ads Manager, to instantly update your cart and adjust your monthly subscription. Removed items appear under a Removing section, letting you review the change before confirming. Click Review Changes to see the full billing impact. The Review Subscription Changes window summarizes what's being removed, current billing cycle details, and how your subscription total compares before and after. Once you've reviewed the summary, click Confirm Changes to finalize the update. Your new subscription total will apply from the next billing cycle. Ready to make an impact? You've just experienced how OPS 360 transforms operational chaos into clarity. Let's build your customized solution together. Start today.